Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be reviewing this Lord of Print King Olaf model from their Unchained range of miniatures. I really do like these guys, they really look like a good proxy for some Slaves of Darkness. I wouldn't use this king as a proxy for Archeon, but he'd make a good Chaos Lord. The miniature comes in 3 pieces, a base, his cape, and the model itself. Now Olaf himself does come in 2 variants, one with a crown and one with a hood. The one I have printed here is the one with the crown, which I prefer. I want to start by saying there is one thing that I'm really disappointed with these miniatures, and that is that it's very small. I have to use magnifying glasses to actually see the details on the miniature properly. Now that just may be my eyes and me getting old, but it is actually too small for me to physically see, which means painting it would be quite difficult for me. So to get around this, I actually scaled the model up to about 120%, which actually made a huge difference. I can actually see the details, and it actually looks a little bit cooler being a bit bigger. But aside from the size part, I think the model is absolutely amazing. In fact, the whole range of Unchained models are actually pretty cool. I am considering building an entire force of Slaves to Darkness with these Unchained miniatures. And in terms of this model itself, it printed out without any issues. The supports come off quite easily with hot water. I was a little bit worried about the sword because it is quite thin and you can actually see through it a little bit. But I had no issues removing supports from the sword, and it wasn't too warped, so it was quite good. I would have liked if Lord of Print made a bigger base for this guy. He is a king after all, and kings should stand on a more magnificent looking base. I do really like the base he comes with, but I'll actually glue it on to a bigger base and build up around it with my own texture paste and rocks. Here in the video, I'm just quickly going to show you the scale difference between the original scale, which I printed out first, and did a quick slap chop method and washed it just so I can try and see all the details, but I couldn't. So that's why I printed out in a bigger scale, which you can see here is a big difference and actually looks quite cool. Just to remind you, that is actually 120% scale. here I'm just showing you the scale difference between a Slave to Darkness Chaos Warrior and the Olaf King himself. The original scale model is actually a little bit smaller than a Chaos Warrior. Now showing my upscaled model. Thank you so much for watching this review on this Olaf from Lord of the Print. I am absolutely thrilled to have this piece in my collection and I can't wait to start painting it. If you have enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on the notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. If you have any suggestions of other miniatures you would like me to review or paint, please let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing from my viewers and create content that you enjoy. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.